What is up, guys? I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use your Canon camera as a webcam. Now this should work for most, if not all, Canon cameras. First off, it makes it where you don't have to worry about the 30-minute record limit, and also you don't have to worry about your battery dying whatsoever. So let me show you guys the parts. Okay, first off, of course, you're going to need your Canon camera, which I have the Canon Rebel SL3 right here. Next, we're going to start off with this, which is your Elgato Cam Link 4K, which I will link in the description. And along with that, you are going to need this HDMI cable. It is a standard HDMI to HDMI, I think micro HDMI or mini HDMI. I'll link it in the description. It's one of the two. So you're going to need that to go with the Elgato. And then you're going to need a dummy battery. So first what you want to do is open up the compartment. So I didn't actually think this would work with my camera, but the way it works is it plugs into the compartment, and then there's a little spot right here, this little lip right here, and it pops open. Because with my SL3, some Canon cameras are different, but with my SL3, if the battery door is not shut, I can't record, like it will not turn on. So you do it like that, and then this other end connects to this piece right here, and then this block connects to this piece, which plugs into your wall. Okay guys, so now that we have it plugged in, it's running to here, and then this one's connected, and then we have the end that's going to plug into your wall. Then we're going to need to connect the cam link. So now that I have the other end of the HDMI plugged into my camera, this USB end of the cam link will go into your computer, and then you plug this into your wall. And now we're about to head into OBS, and I'll show you guys how to set it all up. Okay guys, so it's a little messy, but I have everything plugged in. I have the dummy battery and the HDMI plugged in. So the cam link is running all the way up through here. As you can see, it's right over here, and then it's plugged into the back of my computer right here. And then I have the dummy battery running down all the way below my desk, and it is plugged in right here in this top socket. So now I'm about to show you guys on OBS what it looks like. It's pretty easy to set up from this point on. Okay guys, so first what you're going to want to do is go into OBS and either create a new scene or source, whichever. And then whenever you get into your source, click add, and then add a video capture device. And then when you have that video capture device selected, go to Camlink 4K. It should be an option whenever you have your Camlink 4K plugged in and that dummy battery plugged in. Make sure you turn your camera on at this point. And then I'm going to click activate, and there it is. Now first, we are not done yet. So of course you can see my camera and everything. And as you can tell, I have some information on the screen. Also with the new battery, what you're going to want to do is go to your menu screen where you can see all your settings and everything. For my SL3, this first step is in the function settings, and then click on your function settings, and then auto power off. I guess because it's a new battery. It might not do this with your camera, but it's been doing it with my camera. Since it's a new battery, auto power off is set to 10 to 30 seconds. So if you have that on, this thing will just go black because you're not physically recording with the camera. So since you're not physically recording with the camera and it's recording the screen through OBS, it doesn't count as it being active, so it will turn off. So then go back in your menus and then go to your shooting settings and go over to, for mine, it's the fourth one over in my shooting settings, which is your HDMI info. And then go to clean. If you're shooting in 4K, go to clean 4K output. Or for me, I'm doing clean full HD. So I click on that. Then if you look, just 100% clean. So that's how you do it right there. Screen shouldn't go black. Should have a clean look like this. I know it looks bad right now because of all the light in my room and all that stuff. But that's how you do it. Do hope this helped you guys. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time.